Hey guys, Nikki Lisa here. So today I wanted to do a code with you guys, like the wolf plushie, and I'll show you what it is. So, this, I have one of these, and I wanted to share the code with you guys, but I'm revealing the code to see what it is. Do not get mad at me if it doesn't work, because I already used it, so yeah. Okay, I wanted to find out what was this thing. See? Wow, this is a big code. Alright. Alright. Let's see what this is. I know the screen looks a little funny like that. Oh, let's see what it is. I hope it's a spike collar or something. Oh, just 5,000 gems. Oh, wow. Okay. Now I have 99,000. Oh, I'm so close to getting like 100,000. So yeah, guys, that was just a little video of me revealing the code for that. Me dead. No. Yeah. I don't want to go to you dead. And yeah. I don't know what to do. So I'll just make this video a little bit longer. I'll just go to somebody's den and show it off. Should I go to Quintu's? No. I'll just go to X's Mario's. Yeah. He turned 16 yesterday, and I sent him something, and yeah. His den is just so epically awesome, and X Mario sees this, he's gonna be so happy. And XX Mario, I wish you happy birthday, well, late birthday, and you're a great buddy. So, that's about it, guys. That was just me revealing the code and doing a den thing. So, yeah, guys, please subscribe, like, comment. Bye.